Hey guys, it's Maymay and welcome to Christmas in July for 2023. I'm so excited about this month. We have been planning and prepping and getting everything ready for you, and we're kicking it off tonight. Now, here's the cool thing. We actually are going to kick it off with our 5 new stamp sets. You know I got to tease you a little bit, right? I can't let you see them just yet, but we're releasing 5 new Christmas sets. So while I've got your attention and while you're waiting to see what's on the other side of these, let me tell you what our plan is. Our plan is to spend Monday nights in July showing you different ways to use these stamp sets. We had a lot of ideas when we were making them, a lot of brainstorming. And tonight we're going to kick off with one. So if you hang around, you'll get to see one of the stamp sets being used and how it's used. But first, I want to reveal all of them to you. So I'm going to move these away. And because I don't have samples made of each stamp set, I'm going to bring out one and I'm going to show you their sample sheets that Sylvia puts together for each one so you can see what they're supposed to do. Okay, so I'll pull it away and let's start with 2 really cute ones. Now, these I don't have sample sheets for, but you know what these are. First, I'm going to show you these are our quilting sets, right, or our stitching sets. This one is called Threadberry. Get it like threadbare, but Threadberry. I thought that was cute. And this one is called Stitchament because I thought like peppermint, Stitchament, thought it was cute. So we love how these turned out. Now, you guys remember we did Meander and Celestial and Heartstrings before, and so this continues in that collection. So you'll see us using these in July on one of the Monday nights. What I love about this is even if you don't want to make quilted cards for Christmas, think about this as a background. You could just do a little bit of red here and there or a little bit of pink, and the same over here, little green, little red, and it's a beautiful background for your cards. So these 2 are now available. Check this one out. Now, this one is called Ribbons and Bows Tag Builder. Now, you know, every year I like to release a new tag set. I love tags. I never can get enough of them. But this one does some really cool things that I cannot wait to show you. First, let's talk about what you get. You get this beautiful tag and this beautiful tag. And yes, you do have a free SVG on our website, so you can use this in your cutting machines. But you know I always try to make my set so easy for fussy cutting, and that's what we did here too. I want you to see. All you'll have to do on this one is cut straight down and barely go around this bow on those little edges, and it'll give you that fussy cut look. Same with the holly. There's very little that you actually have to fussy cut to get that look if you don't have an electronic cutting machine, okay? So not only do you get these beautiful tags, you also get all these sentiments, which I'm going to show you those on the sample sheet. Something else I want to show you is this. This is a builder, okay? This is not just here, just, you know, pieces and parts to look cute. I want to show you how it builds on the set. You also get this tiny tag that you can use for just about anything. Let's look at the sample sheet. So this is Sylvia's samples that she did. And again, this is available on the website for you to see, okay? But what I super, super love is this bow situation. So this guy right here is made so that when you stamp it, you'll stamp the long ribbon and the long ribbon across each other, and then that centerpiece is a solid color. So when you stamp it, it covers up where they cross. You see what I'm saying? And your lines will go out of the bow so you get this 4-way look on top. Won't this be cute for cards? I think this would make a super, super cute card. I cannot wait to show you samples. Same here, because she wanted to do that ribbon across the side, and then when you stamp with that solid image in the middle, it hides underneath, right? So it makes it look like everything is tied together. Isn't that neat? I love that. So no masking off or anything fancy, and you end up getting the bow and the tails on where they need to go around the ribbons. Then you'll see here she's got the holly and the berries also used there. Here's our little sets. That little tag just for you, season's greetings. And then all of our words to go together like this. Merry Christmas from our family to yours. Merry Christmas, my holly jolly friend. Merry Christmas, our holly jolly friend. We added the word our to this set, and you might want to use it with other sets because so many times you guys say to us, there's more than just one of me and my family, or I want it to come from all of us, or sometimes you want it just to be from you. So you can see that here. Season's greetings from me to you. And season's greetings from our family to yours. Season's greetings, holly jolly friend. I just liked holly jolly friend that day. It was my favorite thing. Then this big O sentiment, which I love, can go right inside of here, and I think that is so cute. And you can see that these sentiments fit inside the tag as well. She made a border. She did a little border stamp using just the holly and the berry, and she also did a little to and from up here because you always get a to and from with our tag sets. Oh, by the way, there's the my up there at the top, so you can see that. So you've got my and our. So that is this one, and you can watch for on a Monday night. We'll be showing you. I want to make these in real life. I want you to see how these will work because I love how this bow situation is going to work for us. So that that is stamp set, technically number 3. All right, guys, I forgot. We're releasing 6 sets. I forgot about this little guy. He was sitting off to the side, and he's one of my absolute favorites. Now, everybody's going to have a use for this set because if you're like me, and I know that you are because you're a Maymay customer, you shop online, right? Well, somebody is delivering something to your house then, right? Either your post office carrier, your UPS person, your FedEx person, someone is delivering. And have you seen how people are putting out the cute little treats for their delivery drivers? That's what we wanted to do. We wanted to make a stamp set that you could make sweet little gifts for them because sometimes you see them more every week than you see your own family. I know we do with our delivery drivers. So check out what we did. We did this big old truck, which I think is adorable, and I have such cute plans for this. I can't wait to show y'all. We did this big truck. We gave you this little envelope, okay, and here's the sentiments. Please take a treat for the road. You're appreciated. You make Santa look like an amateur. I love that one. I think that's so cute. You really deliver. And how about this? Thank you for dashing through the rain, sleet, and snow to deliver cheer. And then this says, you go the extra mile. Then you have the little hearts, and I'm going to show you on the sample sheet how we use those. I think to put treats on your front porch or to make a special card for that delivery person. How cute is this? Look at the little samples. So one set of the hearts are made so they look kind of like exhaust, the way they kind of look like smoke coming out. You can use them here, anywhere around the truck, and your sentiments all fit inside the truck. Isn't that adorable? I love this. Here's the little envelope. I've got plans to show you the samples, the ideas for this. That'll come in one of our Monday night videos, and I'm super excited to show you those. So that one, holiday delivery. Now this one, if you get no other stamp set for Christmas, you're going to want this one. It's going to do every single thing you want, okay? Check this out. This one is called Say It Merry. We have decided to start doing a line of stamps called Say It because we always need so many words and sentiments. So periodically throughout the year and throughout our clubs, you're going to see some Say It sets. This one is Say It Merry, and it's fantastic, okay? Now you get all of these words. You get merry, everything, joy, Christmas, magical, always, greetings, holiday, fa la la, seasons, bright, joyful, holiday, and then season down here without the S, right? See how those have S's and some don't? I did that on purpose. I don't want you to have to mask anything off. I want it to be simple to use. Then your smaller words, happy, then la 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 la. It goes with this one. That's how too many laws there. Filled with have a, merry, may your, wishing you a, tis the, to you, and ampersand, and all these cute little Christmas icons. It's great, but let me show you on the sample sets because the sample sheets show you so many things. And wait till you see how many different ways it can be used. You see this? Sylvia always does such a good job on the sample sets. She even says here, there are over 100 different combinations and layouts for this stamp set, so let your imagination roar, or soar rather. So you see here, may your holidays be magical, wishing you everything magical, season's greetings. May your Christmas be merry and bright, 'tis the season. Merry Christmas to you, happy holidays, merry everything. That's one sheet. Now look at this. What she did for you, and you can get this on the product page, is she took the word Christmas and made a bunch of different combinations for you. So if you weren't sure, this way you could see how it lines up. Look at all the options with just the word Christmas. Then she did the same thing for you guys using the word holidays. So you can take holidays and do all of these words or sentiments. Here she took holiday and always, and she made them up for you to see. You don't have to do them this way. She just wanted to give you a lot of ideas. Here you can see she did season, seasons, and greetings. So she mixed those up for you. And then fa la la, she mixed that up for you. And one more, everything. So like I said, these are available on the product page for you to look at. They are pictures for you to see so you can know exactly what you can do with this. But listen, that's just the tip of the iceberg. There's so much more you can do. So this set again is called Say It Merry, and you'll see us focus on it on one of our Monday nights in July. All right, one more. All right, and this one is the one I'm going to show you tonight how to use. You stuck around this long, let me show you what this one does. Now, it's one of my favorites. I think it is a very unique take on the nativity, and I love it. This one is called There Was Light. Now, let me explain it, okay? It's a layering set, but it also doesn't have to be a layering set. Every image can be used standalone or together. If you were to layer it, this would be the back layer. This would be the inner layer, and this would be the top layer. So I want you to imagine this, okay? Imagine you stamp this in, say, silver, and then you stamp these images inside of there in a pale blue. And then you take the line image and stamp on top of that in maybe black. You get that 3-color image from it, and it's absolutely beautiful. Now, on top of that, you get all these beautiful sentiments: Merry Christmas, believe, hope, love, and my favorites. And there was light, and my very favorite is this line here, and the darkness comprehended it not. I just love that so much. Also, the word peace. Now, you got some extra stars for more light, okay? Also, the scripture reference, John 1:5. So you can put it with anything you want, any way you lay it out. Let me show you the sample sheet because it's going to explain it. And then I'm going to make 2 cards for you tonight using it. This is the sample sheet. Do you see what I was saying? Say you took a black background and you did the gold embossing on the black with the star and the line. Look how beautiful that turns out. If you don't want to use all the layers, you can see it like this. And here's just doing 2 of the layers. And it's just so pretty. And look, this is just using the silhouette. And then she embossed, or what you would emboss on top of the silhouettes. So beautiful. Let's make some cards with this so you can see exactly how it works. I'm super excited to show you how this stamp set works. So I'm going to start by showing you in a plain stamping situation, meaning with like flat inks, and then I'm going to show you embossing. So let's get started. So now you've seen the two sets that I made, the two cards that I made. I just think they turned out so pretty. And this is my favorite. It is such a dream. I want to tell you too, I don't know if you could notice in the camera or not, but when you're laying them out, it works best if you put Mary first, all the way to the edge of the page, and then work your way back. Joseph's a little bit wider, and I just found that placing Mary first, and you would have seen that in my stamps, placing her first makes it work best. And the way the little stars and things are laid out they're made so they can nestle together like that, or you can use them individually. And this one is the one with the lines. I just love how these turned out. And then of course on the inside, and the darkness comprehended it not, Merry Christmas, and the darkness comprehended it not, Merry Christmas. I just love this so much. All right, you guys, those are our stamp sets. I'm going to bring them back over. I cannot wait to play with them in our videos this month. And as always, I cannot wait to see what you do with them. So you know the deal. If you pick up the stamp set and you make a project, share it with us. Two places. One, on our customer gallery at MaymayMadeIt.com, and two, on our Facebook group called Maymay Made It and So Did I. I really want to see what you guys make out of these. I know your brain is running already. You have so many ideas. They are available now in store. You can pick them up. We'll have links in the description. And we'll also put a link in the pinned comment underneath this video. So if you struggle finding the show more or the more option under the video, we'll have it in that first comment for you. Hey, thanks so much for being here. I cannot wait to start saying Merry Christmas to you guys. And I think I'm going to say it tonight. So Merry Christmas in July. Till next time. Bye now.